This video is brought to you by Super Clean. Guys, welcome back to Blondie's Garage. I'm so happy you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora and we're going to be trying out this product called Super Clean. We've used it in the past and it works amazing. I'm just going to show you a few different examples of how you can use this awesome product. It's a degreaser and it basically cleans anything and everything that you can think of in the shop. So you got your engines, engine bays, transmissions, anything that has oil and grease and just a lot of nasty stuff built up. This stuff will take care of it, no problem. Alright, I want to introduce you guys to somebody. This is Mello. He's our little Mexican green conure.
Just fly away from me, Mello.
You don't want to hang out with Daddy?
Make Daddy sad.
But he is quite the character. He's a type of parrot, but he doesn't get very big. Unfortunately, we lost Bo last November around Thanksgiving. He was our rooster that we had, but a dog broke into our yard and they took him out and it crushed me. So we decided that a house bird might be easier to take care of and keep safe. But he's really funny. He's a good bird. First thing we're doing in the video, guys, is getting this engine out. Jake's been thrashing on it for 4 years now and definitely needs to be gone through and just freshened up. So we're going to go ahead and get the engine out of here. And then after we do that, we'll be able to clean the engine bay with the Super Clean. Taping up the last stuff.
Yup. Getting the radiator fan plug taped up. We're going to give the hatch some love today. It's been a while.
Oh man, this engine bay is sad. It's sad.
Lots of quarter-mile passes. Lots of oil leaks.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this car's been through the ringer for a while. But good thing we've got all this Super Clean.
We're gonna get about that 10.8 that it ran.
Oh yeah. Can't forget that.
Revamping it, giving it some much needed love.
Definitely. Yes. So we're gonna be cleaning the engine bay with the Super Clean. And it's really got its job cut out for it. I'll give you a close-up on the engine bay. Yeah, we covered up our wiring harness with bags and everything. It's really important to make sure you cover up all the electrical stuff. You can see down here, it's just terrible. Oh yeah, we got a lot of work to do in here.
Look at that, it turns purple on contact with the grease. gonna really soak this thing. It's filthy.
Yeah. Gonna need a lot of super clean.
We'll see how well the super clean really works. It's gonna be an honest review. This thing is super filthy.
Yeah.
The more
we
I
really
look,
appreciate Super Clean for sponsoring us and sending us the product.
yep.
It's really cool.
The more I look, the worse it keeps getting. It's filthy. Look at all that purple.
I know.
We're gonna get this all cleaned up, get the built motor back in it, and we're headed back to the track.
Yeah, he's gonna try to get back into the 10s.
Trying to get back into the 10s, go get kicked out of the track,
Yeah, because there's no roll cage.
and then it'll be time to do the drag hatch.
Oh yeah.
We get all the grease and oil on the underside of this. I had my motor running, and I had the valve cover with the fittings for the catch can, and no catch can hooked up, so you know, it sprayed a little oil out.
Yeah, just a little bit.
For best results, I'm sure we should scrub it, but we're lazy. We're just gonna spray it on there, let it soak, and then I'm gonna power wash the heck out of it.
Sounds like a plan. It's been a long week, so we're just gonna let the Super Clean speak for itself.
See how good the Super Clean really works when you're lazy. Alright, I mean that thing is coated.
Yeah, it is.
I really feel bad. I'm gonna scrub that thing. Whew.
Smells good.
Well, you're supposed to sniff the Super Clean, babe. Do not
Do not sniff the Super Clean. I'm just saying, it's not a overwhelming scent like a lot of them.
Yeah, no, that is true. And I mean, I work in a paint shop, so I know what overwhelming chemicals smell like.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not too bad.
You getting ready to install your new rack and pinion?
Yep, got a new rack and pinion for my car. This one's shot. Only like 280,000 miles on it.
Yeah, that's quite a bit.
Tie rods have been replaced before, but the whole thing just needs replaced.
Yeah. So we got the tires off, getting ready to install that. Let's see how the engine bay turned out.
Figured I'd do it now while the motor was out, maybe a little bit easier.
Oh yeah, definitely. Get everything freshened up in here. But yeah, the Super Clean definitely did a great job cleaning the engine bay.
Of course, once I pulled out the rack, found some hidden.
Yeah, missed some spots. But we're gonna get those cleaned up. Overall, the engine bay looks really nice. We definitely recommend the Super Clean. You guys are looking at another example of how awesome Super Clean is. We sprayed it all in this area, let it set for a little bit, and then we power washed it. And you can see a very big difference. So we'll definitely be using it on the rest of the driveway because it really needs it. We need to power wash this whole house and shop, honestly. We're gonna need a lot more Super Clean. But here's another spot So it definitely works, guys.
Here's a little before clip of the transmission. It's filthy, just like the engine bay. This thing is disgusting. Back here. We'll see how well it cleans up. I think the super clean will do the job. Let's see what happens.
Alrighty, y'all, we're getting close to getting the transmission bolted back onto the engine. I just wanted to show you a close-up how it looked after we cleaned it. Definitely a big improvement. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing bolted back on. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing bolted back on. That way we can drop it back into the car. Got it going.
Yup, you're running. Good job. Yeah, I think so. I'd say so. Ready to go back to the track. Yeah, we're gonna go back to the track and duplicate our 10-second pass. Just get back into the 10s again with this car that has no cage. And after we do that, then we're gonna pull the motor out and put it in the car with the roll cage.
Yep. The drag hatch. It's sitting back there in the corner.
We ran our 10 on medium boost, like 17, 18 pounds. We'll put it in the drag hatch. We're going to turn it up a little bit.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Making it extra spicy, are we?
I don't know about extra spicy.
Extra spicy.
We're definitely turning it up.
I'm excited, babe.
Look at that turbo spin. Look at that wheel just putting in work at idle.
Yep. Turbo's ready too. What's up, guys? So we've got everything installed in the engine bay. The intercooler piping for the turbo's hooked back up, the strut bar. It's looking really good in there, thanks to the super clean. Now all that's left to do is go drive it around, tune it up a little bit, and get it ready for the track. So that's gonna be our next steps. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up if you did. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you guys want to keep up with the channel. And we'll see you in the next video.